So yesterday we are already talked about Kanban, Scrum, and different templates are there. So we are organization, and if there is a team who is especially looking into the making sure the quality of product or project should be fine, then defect tracking should have the team should have better understanding of this defect tracking. So see how it's little different from other Kanban and Scrum. So we'll see how we can, because the workflow may be some different than the other workflows. Like I'm creating some bugs that will be in to-do state, and after the creating all the bugs, now I'm starting to assign these bugs to my team members. So till now we have not seen this one. We have only seen this to do, in progress, and done. So I want this new in my workflow assigned also. So I'll add this one, right? Thereafter we'll create a Kanban board, because I want to see some columnar view of my issues, where they are, what is the status of each one in some better visualization. We may need to create some custom issue type, because in if you're tracking defects can be of like a blocker, maybe not blocker, but it's nice to have something like that. Different issue type can be there in the case of defects. So we can create some custom issue type also if we are only dealing with the defect tracking, and we can also prioritize the bugs, right? So let us see once example how we can especially work with the defect tracking. So I'm going to create a project, and this is the bug tracking template. I'll choose this one, use this template, and suppose that my try a team name, project goal, or milestone, right? To team name my QA team, I'm just putting in the QA team one level up, something like this, right? So if you see, once I creating a project using that bug tracking template, it's very different than the what we have seen till now. You are redirecting to this on this issues listing page. Nothing is there, so it's not coming here. And you see there is some text here written, project equal to QT order by created descending. So basically this is the JQL. We'll see how this we can write our own JQL, right? So right now nothing is there. I'm going to my, so basically we need to create our some special board. So I'm not looking to create Scrum board, I will create the Kanban, right? And I want to create this board from my existing project which I have created, QA team one level up. So board name is, suppose that QA team, just, and project, this one I have created, right? So this is the board. There is some configuration needed if you're especially working with the bug tracking, right? So you see now I have my board. I can create issue here, and you can see different type of issue type, epic, improvement, task, new feature, something like this, right? This is issue list, as you see the first time. Then this is the list format. This is in calendar format. Kanban board, the board we have created right now. Timeline is there. So all are there, and now if you see, we're done with the Kanban board. Now we need to create issue types. So right now, if you're going to create a issue, if you see here, a peak, improvement, task, and new feature are there. Maybe I need some a special type of issue like blocker or something like that, or test cases, something like that, right? So for that, I need to go inside this global setting, then issues, right? Then you see here issue type, right? So I'm just giving a name like a blocker or something like, or standard issue type, subtype. So I'm keep taking as a standard issue type. So I've done with creating the issue type. Then we have to create the schemes also. And here, what was my JIRA project? This one I had created, right? Then I have to edit this one, right? So see, I had created this new issue type, right? So I have to drag here, because in my current scheme, it's these are the list, and right now I've created this new one, right? So I have to add here. So I have added a new issue type. Then I have to do some screen setting. I'll see the screen setting some. So if I go inside my that project, this one, I'm opening a new tab. New issue. Here you see the different priority are coming here, right? Priorities are there, and also I wanted to show you one second here. If you see, this type is now coming, right? Blocker issue, right? Or a team, suppose that creating test cases, right? So similarly, I can create here, name is a test case, right? Then go inside the issue type schemas. This was my project. Edit. So this is the test case. I'll drop here, save, and if I go and create a new bug or new issue, actually bug tracking I'm naming this, but I've created new type. So see here, one test case is coming. Right? So this is how you can, here see priority is medium, and according to high, low priority you can adjust of that bug, right? Also some configuration is coming. Configuration means you can add custom fields, right? So I hope this one little more helpful to the team who are dealing with creating defects or creating, or the QA team who is going to use this tool as a defect tracking tool. Any question, guys?